Thinking of moving to Scotland? Scotland is one of the most beautiful and welcoming places in the world, known for its dramatic landscapes, vibrant culture, and high quality of life. If you're dreaming of moving there, here's what you need to know to make it happen. Choose the right visa to move to Scotland. You'll need the correct visa. If you're from outside the UK, your options include the skilled worker visa, student visa, or family visa. Check if your job is on the UK shortage occupation list. This can speed up the process. Make sure you meet the income and language requirements for the visa you're applying for. Find a place to live. Housing in Scotland varies widely, from modern city apartments to rural cottages. Cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow offer urban life, while places like Inverness or the Highlands give you a peaceful, nature-filled setting. Use sites like Rightmove or Zoopla to explore rental or buying options. Get a job or transfer your skills. If you're not moving with a job already secured, start applying early. Industries like healthcare, tech, and engineering are actively hiring international workers. Make sure your CV is tailored to UK standards, and be prepared for video interviews if you're applying from abroad. Understand the cost of living. Scotland is generally more affordable than London, but costs still vary by region. Rent, transport, and food in cities can be pricey. Research average costs in your chosen area and create a monthly budget. NHS healthcare is free for residents, which is a major benefit. Open a UK bank account. Having a local bank account will make your move smoother. Many banks allow you to open an account online once you have proof of address in Scotland. Monzo, Starling, and Revolut also offer app-based accounts that are expat-friendly. Register for healthcare. Once you arrive, register with a local general practitioner, GP, to access NHS services. You'll need a proof of address and ID. Healthcare in Scotland is free at the point of use for residents, including emergency services, prescriptions, and doctor visits. Get your national insurance number. To work in Scotland, you need a national insurance number. You can apply online once you arrive. This number ensures you pay taxes properly and receive benefits like pensions or job seeker support. Learn about local life. Scottish culture is rich and proud. Learn a bit of the local slang, explore traditional music and food, and get used to the weather, which can change quickly. The people are friendly, and getting involved in your community will help you feel at home faster. Enjoy nature and travel. Scotland is filled with beautiful natural wonders, from the Isle of Skye to the Cairngorms. Outdoor lovers will enjoy hiking, lochs, beaches, and historic castles. Public transport makes it easy to explore even if you don't have a car. Final tips for a smooth move: do as much planning as possible before your move. Organize important documents, pack light, and stay flexible during the transition. Join online expat groups for support and advice. Many people have made this journey before you. Make the dream a reality. Moving to Scotland can change your life, offering peace, purpose, and a fresh start in a land full of history and heart. With the right planning, it's more possible than you think. Subscribe for more life guides. Subscribe now for more step-by-step guides on moving abroad, building your dream lifestyle, and taking control of your future.